And this is sudden death in the match between Dad and Liz versus Kevin and Jacqueline. And we start! Go! Out of bounds! You're out of bounds!
Did we lose?
No.
Oh.
What?
Our serve or is it 10?
And Jacqueline is serving. And Lizzie lost a point. Jacqueline and Kevin win. Oh, I thought you were serving. Never mind, Lizzie's serving. Ready? And here we go. And there we go. And there we go. Here we are.
No!
And Dad and Elizabeth win. Congratulations, Dad and Elizabeth. Wait, that was 21.
You win by 2.
It's 22, 20. This is the winning point.
You have to win by 2 points.
Oh, so it goes to 22. Okay. So we are going to 22.
I was distracted by Kelly.
I was not distracting you.
Winning point.
Can you do it?
Come on, Liz, it's your winning point.
Oh, bring it on. Oh, yeah.
We win. To win.
I want to play now.
That's what happened.
Let me play.
I know. I'm all discombobulated now.
Yeah.
You want to play, Cal?
No.
Who won?
You, heifer? How's she gonna ask who won? She's on the winning team, you retard. You big old retard.